The new Relight feature is really useful, especially if you don't have a dedicated light source for shooting your videos, or if you're not satisfied with the lighting in your footage. First, let's see how it works and what settings you can change. To explain it clearly, I'm going to use a photo with a white background. First, double-click on the image, scroll down, and find Relight, then enable it. Now you'll see a few presets here. However, it's usually better to create your own preset and save it, because every visual is different. So, I'm going to click on Presets, then click Add. Now a new light source, Light 1, has been added to your photo. What you see here represents your new light source. At first, you might not notice much difference, so let's increase the intensity to make the light source visible. Now let's check out the light types. If you choose directional, the light will emit in the direction of the arrow, and you can move it anywhere within your frame. The next option is point. Here, the light focuses only on the specific point where you place it. You can also choose which object the light should affect: people, background, or both. And of course, you can also change the color of the light. Instead of moving the light with your mouse, you can also use these settings to precisely place your light source. Adjusting distance and light radius helps control how far the light spreads. Light intensity controls how bright the light source is. You can also add more light sources. Simply click here. And the settings for each light will work the same way. By clicking on Save as Preset, you can instantly apply it in your videos. Now let's look at a real example. In this video, I'm going to add a light source that acts like sunlight, slowly moving toward his face. For this effect, I'm only going to adjust the intensity and light radius. To animate the light, I'll go to the first frame, add a keyframe, and reduce the light radius. Then I'll move to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and increase the radius. Now, open Keyframe Animation and choose the Ease in Graph. And that's it.